Hello there, it's me, Rubbish Ruby, but you can just call me Ruby unless you hate me. Then you can call me Rubbish Ruby, and I've made it very easy for you to hate me. You're welcome. First things first, like the video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoy this video, and you should also just give it a thumbs up now because I'm trying to get to 20 likes. We didn't get to it last time yet, as of this video, but I feel like we could do it this time. So, like it. Did you do it? Thank you! This week's crafting thing is going to be a little bit different because I'm not basing it off of something I've seen, but more so a need. So recently I've been buying a lot of new fabric for projects, a lot of new yarn for projects, but I also have a lot of old unused things sitting around waiting to be upcycled. So this week, since I was a little bit low on money, I was like, you know what, let me dig into my stash and we're gonna find something to make. After looking into what I had a lot of extra stretchy, like colorful fabric that's kind of like a sweatshirt material, t-shirt material. So I found this pattern on Etsy by Quick2Print, which will be linked below as always. And I really liked it. It was like kind of a baseball t-shirt and I thought it was really cute, and I was thinking I could do something interesting with it. I have so many different fabrics to choose from. I could do some color blocking. So I'm feeling pretty confident. I feel like it's gonna turn out slay because so far all my projects have been turning out really good, so I'm prepared for the best, baby. But without further ado, let's get into creating the shirts. Bye from Past Ruby. So the first thing I had to do was put together the pattern pieces and cut out the pattern. I used this pink fabric from the first mock-up of this shirt, and I was really hoping I would like this one, but I really ended up hating this shirt, to be honest. I was able to get the shirt ready and put together in about one day though, so I was feeling pretty confident still at this point. So this is officially day 2 of this project. I made a rough draft, is what I'm gonna call it, because I don't really like how it turned out, of the shirt, and this is what it looks like. I just did not do great on the collar. I definitely did not do that right. Maybe I'll wear it, but I feel like it's really see-through too, so I'm just kind of like meh. I like it, so I'm gonna try and make another one with some fabric that I have over there, some of the color blocking maybe, and we're gonna go from there. So yeah. Here's a fun secret. I cut this shirt out totally wrong. I accidentally cut it on, not on the bias, so it wasn't stretching across, but it was stretching up and down, which I didn't realize I did this until probably around this point. And I was like, oh, okay, that'll probably be a little uncomfortable, but it'll probably fit, right? Right? I fucked up. I'm so sad. Oh, there, it works, kind of. It might fit. I feel like I'm not gonna be able to get it off. Oh no. Oh my god. I feel like a worm.
Because you're showing the reality of sewing.
So this is my reality. So as you can see, the first 2 times really did not work out well for me, and I was really disappointed at this point. Thank God for my friend who was able to kind of lift my spirits. We went on a walk, and then I went for it again using even more of my old fabric that I haven't used and old t-shirts, and I felt a lot more confident going through this process on these shirts because I was like, I've already done this twice, 3rd time's the charm. And the 3rd one did turn out really good, except for the collar wasn't really stretchy, so it's kind of hard to get on. But once it's on, it's really comfortable and it turned out really cute. And I also made a second one. So I wasn't able to get any footage of filming my progress of the last 2 shirts I made because my camera was like overheating and it just wouldn't record for some reason. But I wanted to show the shirts that flopped first because despite them flopping, I still put time and effort into them, and therefore I think I should show them off and be like, this is what I did. And I think it's good to acknowledge the fact that as creatives, sometimes we flop, sometimes we don't do great. But that's okay because it's just the way it is, and you just gotta grow and keep moving forward, and sometimes it's really hard. It was kind of hard for me because the 2 shirts I made were like just not great. I cut them out the wrong way and I was just unhappy, and once I finished that second one I was like, fuck dude, I just don't even want to do this anymore. So I went on a little walk and my friend helped me make my creative juices flow. That sounds weird. And I remembered I had a bunch of old shirts and I decided to cut those up, put them into the pattern that I bought, and I made some really amazing shirts. This first one, this Horror Babes one, this shirt is originally from a brand called Creepy Gals, which I will link them down in the description as well as post them on the screen right now. But I had this shirt and I used it as a hair dyeing shirt as a stupid idea, and I ruined it, and now I'm able to wear it by like cutting it out and giving it a new life, and I'm so excited to wear this all the time. I'm gonna wear this probably to horror nights in Universal. I'm ready, bitch. And then I made a second one out of this old, like, I think it was a Romwe shirt I got that didn't fit me that great. So I was really glad to give that a new purpose and a new life. And I'm just really proud of the shirts that I ended up making. And I'm not even mad about the first two shirts anymore. And I'm really proud of what I did. And I think that's something really important to remember sometimes during fails or things that aren't really going well in our creative vibes. And I think it's really important to acknowledge that we will fuck up. We always will fuck up. We're people. You know, like, everything's not going to go exactly how we want it to the first time. Anyways, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It means a lot to me. I really appreciate all of your guys' support. And I will hopefully catch you guys in the next one. I think I have an idea of what my next project is going to be, and it's actually fully based on someone else's video that I watched, which I'll get into that in the next video. You'll see. That is all. I hope you guys have a great time zone wherever you are, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!